Okay, singayicima. Fezil, sesizoqala ukufilma phela manje. Yeah. Uhlekani? Cela siqala. Ayasinza lamandi. Now akakho. As we film, ne? This is your water, ne? This is mommy's water. Yabo? Mina ngidobamba lawo. Angithi? Okay, agreed? Yeah, good. Uyayithola indzaba. Okay, drink up, then soqala ukufilma. Hello honeys, it's Yolz and welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming with baby Fez. I am going to attempt to unbox what I got in Greece. Luckily there's not many things in that Sephora packet, and I'm kind of clearly bribing somebody to be on camera with me here. So I've got my water, he's got his but he wants mine, and I've got about 5 or 6 items that I got from Sephora and another pair of shoes that I bought in Greece. If you watch my vlog, you kind of already know what I bought in terms of sneakers. Anyway, let's get straight into this video. If you do enjoy it, give it a massive thumbs up. Let me know if you want to see Fez in my next either unboxing video or any video where he can actually help me. Right now, he's not been very useful.
Hey there, it's Yolz channel.
First things up is I got a few masks. I found out that the sheet mask. I got this mask. This is one of 2 masks that I got in Sephora. The other one is a charcoal mask. So these masks were only €1 and a bit. Honestly, when I calculated, they were much cheaper in Sephora than they are at Clicks here in South Africa. And I got 2 of them because I had so many masks that I actually packed with me. But I wish I actually bought more for the investment, because, like, you know, but you can't run away. This is an unboxing. I think it's let's so yeah, the Hambela. So yeah, they were much cheaper than they are here in South Africa, and I thought to grab them then and there. Plus, had I bought more than €60, I would have gotten a 16% discount, which is like a tax rebate for foreigners basically. Next thing I got, because Fez has already unboxed it, is the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer. I'm gonna show the people. By the way, he's wearing his teething necklace. Let's show you guys what it is. Oh, you want to show the people in the box. Okay, mommy's clearly not getting it. Fine. Good boy. Yes. Let me close it. Yeah. Yay! Show the people. Yes. People saw. Nice. This was €21 at Sephora, and it was super cheap, I think, because it was actually on sale. I think I got like a 30% discount. I was buying things there, not necessarily that I needed because I've got a lot of makeup, but things that I wanted to try, things I know YouTubers have used, and I thought actually it would be interesting to try it. So the 2 makeup items that I did buy were really solely focused on reviews that I have watched, mainly from American YouTubers, and things that people still use. So not necessarily launches that happened and then they used it once. I literally watched things that people just pick up very often when they're doing their makeup on a regular basis, on get ready with me videos and stuff like that. And I got this in a slightly darker tone. I got it in butterscotch. That's just because my tone changes. Ufezile is trying to grab it from me. So since my skin tone changes in the summertime, I decided to go a little darker. And once I open it, I know who's our bed. But this is it right here. While Umnumzani is stuck there with the packet, I hope he didn't put it upside down. Oh goodness, let me check on him. But yeah, this is the color that I got. Oh, actually it's not too bad. It's just like a slightly darker than the fawn. Yo, but you can't be painting your ears with concealer. Obsessed. I'm like spreading it all over my hand. Hopefully that's how good it will look. The consistency is quite thick, and based on Fezzi's review, I think he really likes it. You like it, my boy? Although he's trying to get it back in its packet, so I don't know if that's a good sign. Okay, but yeah. Good boy. Then you evala so. Yeah. Good boy. Yay! Next, from our Sephora packet, we have the most exciting item over here. We have the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. No, Efona. But we're not going to Christmas. Mama, yeah, you must be wearing such. I mean, I'm open to. No, I'm not open actually. It's like no. But you can be a makeup artist, I think. Do you makeup artist? Upside down. So I got the Fenty Gloss Bomb in the color Fenty Glow. Yeah, okay, smells amazing. Smells so nice. It smells like strawberries. Look. No, it smells like strawberries, my baby. And I think it was about 19 euro or so. It was quite expensive. Like, oh, it was expensive, but I think it will be worth the purchase. I haven't used any of these items because I was waiting to actually film this video. Yeah. Can you see that glow? It's a glow this summer. I touched that love. It was just to shock him away from the tripod. Thank you. Where's the fagula? Come to mommy. Yay! Got a bribe. Then I got 4 samples, 5 actually. I got 3 of these Glam Glow Berry Glow Masks. These are the only things I actually opened and used. Why? Because I was really curious. That's why, my baby. I just gave you the reason. I also got this Origin Ginseng Oil-Free Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer. I've used one of them already. Not too bad, to be honest with you. I got 2 of these as well, and I'm glad I got samples because now I get to actually try out products that I don't necessarily have to go out and buy. I wonder if we can do the same in South African like pharmacies or like drugstore or beauty stores, like get samples of things we want to test out. But I found that quite interesting. So yeah, that is what I got from Sephora in Greece. Last item, take number 17. These are the babies that I got. I got these from Sneaker 10. Yes, there was a need for me to actually do that. Well, it's necessary. No, you can't open that. Not yet. There's been success, I promise. Yeah. Happy bought me these and they were the perfect drip for our Santorini trip. Like our second day in Santorini, I wore these babies and they were super comfortable because obviously the first day I didn't know we'd walk so much. The second day I knew, Guti, listen, I have to just wear my new sneaks for the walk, and they were perfect. My feet weren't sore at all. We did walk quite a distance and they were just the perfect pair. And also like for the gram, they were the sledge, they were doing the things, they were okay, your baby's gone now and I'm about to wrap up the video. So in terms of this drip, if I remember correctly, they were cheaper in Greece than they would have been here in South Africa. So yeah, that is all that I bought from Greece. I hope you did enjoy this video. Sorry that your fave is not here to do the outro with me, but he'll be back, don't worry. Let me know down below what other videos you'd like us to do together. Hopefully ones that are not they're not too active because wow, une energy good fezile. Otherwise, that is it from me. I do hope you have subscribed. If you haven't already, just subscribe. It's absolutely free. Join the Yolz channel family. We love you out here, so just click the subscribe button and join us. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for watching. Mwah. Bye.